Hello everyone! Welcome to this channel, and in this video, friends, I will tell you and also show you how to disable Quick Add feature in Snapchat app. Don't forget, dear friends, please do not forget to give a like to this video. Also subscribe to our channel and please write your comments. So, let us be with you friends, let's get started. Please open the Snapchat app on your device. Next, go to the chat section. Now on the top right side, tap on the human option. Here you will see a section called Quick Add or Quick Adds. These are the people that Snapchat offers you as friends. If you don't want to add them, you can just click on the cross like this next to the person to turn on Ignore that person. And do that with everyone. If you don't want to be shown in that speed dial, you can do that by going to your Bitmoji. Then on your account, click on the gear at the top. And in the settings, please scroll down to the bottom. Here you'll need to find a section called Show Me in Speed Dial or Show Me in Friend Finder. And if you have this option enabled, please disable it. This way, friends, you'll be more secure and your account will be much less likely to be offered on Snapchat to unknown people to add as friends. I really hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. Bye-bye, everyone.